Well, here we are. This is the poacher in Dewsbury. As it says, it's one of the few remaining family pubs. What I'd like to do in this little session is to just give you a quick walk around on the website, just to show you how it all works. So, as you can see, there's some visuals at the top there, a little bit of a logo. These area here, these are modules, and each module is accessible from the administration area. So what I'm going to do is just make a couple of short videos going through the bits and pieces, and then from there I'll show you how to download it and put it onto the website from YouTube. So basically what happens is the home page will take you back to this page here. As you click on each of these links, it'll take you to some information about the poacher and what have you. So I think what we can do is we can have a look at one of these links and just see where it takes us. Now we have a little section there, it says Poacher League, but it actually takes us to an article called Joomla License Guidelines, which is not about the poacher at all. So how about we just go in and alter that article to make it suit the site. So here we go. We're going to go into the admin area, and the first thing we're going to do is have a look at the article section. So because it's content, these little menus at the top filled with toys for customizing the site to suit, and we're going to look at the content area, and in particular the article manager. So the easiest way to do it, probably not the best but certainly the easiest way, is to look for the article on the main page that's linking up, so Joomla License Guidelines, and then go back into the edit menu and look again at the articles and find the one that says Joomla License Guidelines, which is here. Now the button that we used to get to this place was called the Poacher League, so let's make it something along those lines. So here we go. The poacher has... So having written a little bit of text in there, we're now going to add a picture. So I'm going to go down to the bottom of this editor and click on Image. It brings up a little box which allows us to either use an image that's already in there, or at the bottom here it says Upload, where we can browse on our machine. I think what we'll do is we'll add an image from there. It'll save us time. So we click on the image and then click Insert, and that puts it into the page. Quite simple, that. So what we need to do now is change the heading. So let's put down what we have to do is we put a new title in, and then we get rid of this old alias thing, because when we save this item, the Joomla engine, if you like, the software will actually put the appropriate alias in there, and that's used in linking to the top of the browser, and you can see that on the website. So what we'll do now is click Save, and you'll see down here that we now have an article called Poacher League. Now if we go back into the front end, we can check just what's happening with that. Remember, we clicked on the Poacher League and it came up with this Joomla License Guidelines. We're now going to refresh the web page just by clicking up in the browser, and you can see now that the Poacher League actually shows a page called the Poacher League. Now I'm not an expert in this sort of thing, so you'll have to do a bit of editing yourself on that, but I guess you get the general idea. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and I'll try and put some fairly reasonable and helpful tips on in further video tutorials. Thank you.